Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about makeup, nail polish, and things happening in my real life. It's been a while and I'm a little bit late with this update, but this is my update for This Is Pantasy, so stay tuned. Alright, This Is Pantasy is a Pantastic Ladies collab group project that was created by Ally over at Wonder in Allyland. It is all about mythology and fantasy creatures. It started on October 11th, National Mythology Day, and it goes until October 11th. There are 42 prompts in total, and this is the second round of this project, and it is rolling style. So, I did not update last month, so it has been a while since I've updated, so let's talk about what I have met my goals on and what I'm going to roll in. The first product I was working on was for the prompt Dragon, and that is something in a large package. I was working on this guy, the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Leave-In Conditioner with 50% more, so it's extra big packaging. And my goal originally was to use half the bottle, and then I amended it to 20. I have used it 20 times. We brought it into the project. It was up here, and now, that was the last update. Now we're down to here. So I used maybe a fourth of the bottle, or a third. I used about a third of the bottle, but I did get all 20 uses out of that, so that is a goal met and a prompt rolling out of the project. The next prompt was for Pegasus, and that is a white product or packaging. And for that, I brought in my NYX HD finishing powder. My goal is to finish it because I brought it in and it had a big pan in it, or a pan, and now it has a great big pan in it. I will try and insert a picture from the last update I did, and this is what we're looking like right now. So great big pan is expanding. I can still use it. I'll probably have to repress it sometime in the future. So far in this project, I have used it 77 times. I can't tell what it was last time I used it. I think it was about 7 uses since then. Whatever. So that is staying in because there's still product left. It's not empty yet. So going to keep working on that. Next was for Caucus, and that is a fire-themed or fire-related product. For that, I brought in Mercury Rising, because right now where I live, the mercury has been rising. It is like over 80 degrees right now, inside and out. So I have a fan going if you hear it, and that's why my hair may be blowing into my face. But I brought in this shade here, this nail polish from Sinful Colors called Mercury Rising, and my goal was to use it 3 times. I did that. I have used it 3 times. We were here, and now we're about there. So we used a little bit. It is a beautiful dark reddy color. And yeah, gonna continue keeping that, but that is a goal met for this project, so we'll keep working on it in my own life. Alright, next is for Hydra, and that is something you keep panning and panning but don't finish. And for me, that has been this highlighter. This is the Real Her Confidence in My Glow highlighter. My goal was to use it 30 times. As of this update, I've used it 21, and it is another product with a great big pan in it that I hope to finish this year, but we'll see. My makeup wearing habits have changed slightly over the last month or two. So we'll continue to work on that. I have 9 more uses to go until I meet my goal. But it is a lovely shade. I guess I could give you a swatch of it. It is the first product that really has it is the first product that has color, so I guess I'll give you a swatch. It is a lovely golden shade there. See, can you really see it? I am not wearing it today. I'm wearing a different highlighter, but that's okay. Okay, moving on, we have Manticore, and that prompt is something you consider a work of art. For that, I brought in this lipstick from Lipstick Queen, because it's got a beautiful art packaging. This is the color Crazed Grayish, and it is a grayish pink. There you go. It is a little pale on me, but I do put it over a lip liner that darkens it up a bit, and I have been known to wear it by itself, and it makes a lovely nude lip. My goal is to use it 10 times, and so far as of today's update, I've used it 7. So I have 3 more uses to go. Sorry, that was my phone. Next, the prompt is for Gorgon, and that was a hair care product. And for that, I brought in my Notcha Mother's Curl Talk Curl Activating Mousse, just the travel size here. My goal was to finish it, and I did. I brought it into the project. It was almost done, and I used it 4 times, and now it is all gone. Yay! I really like that product, but I'm still working on figuring out what curl products I like, because I'm new to curl products. But my hair looks pretty good today, and I did not use that, so. Next is for, I'm all over the place. Next is for the prompt Werewolf, and that is a celestial themed product. And for that, I brought in something from my celestial themed palette, the Galaxy Chic. I brought in the shade Meteor, which is this shade right here, which is a light metallic blue-green. My goal for that is 5 uses, and that is it right there. Comes out more as a metallic silver with just a hint of a green to it. I do have it topped on the center of my lids and my inner corner today. So I have used it 3 times, and I have 2 more uses to go. The next is for Cerberus, which is a hellhound. And for that, I brought in my little sample perfume of Heck Puppy from Sucre Bio. And my goal is to use it 10 times, and I have used it 9 as of today. Probably would have used it more often, but I was traveling and forgot to bring it with me. So 1 more use, and that will be a goal met. And then finally, the last prompt I brought in June, because I missed last month's update, was for the Phoenix, something that is repressed or depotted. And I chose a Natasha Denona shadow that I got from Allie, the creator of this project. So it is depotted. Yeah. Okay. And it is this dark brown shade here. I don't know the name of it or what palette it's from because it was a depotted Natasha Denona shadow. Anyway, my goal was to use it 10 times, and I have done that. I have used it 10 times. I use it. I find it is a very good shade for my brows, so I use it as brow powder every time I do my makeup. So that is a goal met. So technically, I've met 3 goals. I'm going to consider Heck Puppy a goal met as well because I only have 1 more use on that. So we're going to be bringing in 4 new prompts. Give me 1 moment to pull up the prompt list and get my phone with my Spin the Wheel app, and we'll see what we get. Okay, I am back. The lighting's a little bit different because I have a big white screen in front of me. But I have my app on my phone. You can see the reflection there. And it has all the prompts that are remaining that I have not worked on. So let's go ahead and spin this. I think there's one that I've already done that didn't get deleted, so we'll see if that comes up. Okay, we've got Leprechaun. All right, let me look that up. Leprechaun is, here we go. Leprechaun, a mischievous elf of Irish folklore, harmless if not provoked. Plays pranks, typically connected to treasures at the end of a rainbow. And that is a product you think you will have good luck with. Okay. All right, and the next one. is Unicorn. Okay. Unicorn is a legendary creature described as a beast with a single large pointed spiraling horn, symbolizes purity, freedom, gentleness, innocence, divinity, and magic. Bring signs of good luck, happiness, and a positive omen. This is a brand new untouched product. Ooh. Okay. All right, next up we have Yeti. All right, Yeti is an ape-like creature purported to inhabit the Himalayan mountains in Asia. It is commonly referred to as the abominable snowman, and that is a winter or snow-themed product. Okay. And the final prompt we're going to bring in is going to be Sphinx. Okay, and that is a mythical creature with the head of a human, the body of a lion, and the wings of a falcon. Mythicized as treacherous and merciless, will kill, and those who cannot answer her riddle. Will kill those who cannot answer her riddle. From Greek mythology, the Sphinx depictions are generally associated with architectural structures such as royal tombs or religious temples, and it is a royal-themed product. Interesting. Okay, I am back with the products, and it took me a minute, but I think we got some things that will work. So the first prompt was leprechaun, and that is something we'll have good luck with. Alright, they're doing construction nearby. This is from Sinful Colors. It is the shade Tantalize. It is a pale silver gray with a bit of shimmer in it. It is something I got in a D-stash, and it is about half empty. I just shook it up to make sure it is working, but my goal is going to be to wear it twice. So that is that. Next is for Unicorn, a new untouched product. This is a new to me, untouched by me product. This is the Revolution Chilled palette. And this is what it looks like. It is greens and golds and browns. I have not tried any of these colors yet. I am looking forward to giving it a try, see if I like them. My goal is going to be to reach for this palette 5 times, whether I use 4 shades or 1 shade or 2 shades. I'm going to try using it 5 times and see what I think of it. Item. Found the perfect thing. It is my Aspen palette from BH Cosmetics. It is a 6 shade highlighter palette. And my goal for this is to reach for this palette 3 times using any of the shades that because it's only 2 months until the finale. So gloss, and my goal is going to be to use it 10 times. It is getting pretty low. All the time, like an all day. So that is everything for today's update. If you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs update. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet already. It means a lot to me. So anyway, don't forget to see you in my next update.